It is with great sadness that we announce the passing of YouTuber Abdullah Khattak in a car accident. His death has shocked many Pakistanis. Most active on YouTube, he was a popular personality on social media. This post consists of information about Abdullah Khattak, age, education, wife, and death cause. Abdullah Khattak was 21 years old. He was a medical student and working on his vlogging career at the same time. He had over 125k followers on Instagram, which is quite a lot of someone his age. We all know him from his vlogs and Instagram educational videos. Abdullah had just completed his third year at Aga University, where he is medical student. It is with great sadness that we announce the passing of our beloved Abdullah Khattak. Abdullah Khattak was not married yet. Here is a confirmation from his dear friend Bilal said that he experienced a serious road accident today. In his Instagram story, Bilal writes, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. I don't know how to announce, but Abdullah passed away in a road accident last night. There are few words to express the deep pain and sorrow of losing an angel. I would not believe death would come to you this soon. This sorrow cannot be recovered. We live in a world where death is a fact of life. Our thoughts are with the departed family member. Our sincere prayers are with his soul. May Allah Almighty bless him as he attains Jannat. Ameen.